NewJeans just came out with NewJeans. Yes, I just said that. I know they have Super Shy. I know they collabed with Powerpuff Girls. I mean, even in Hypin collabed with Pokemon. Oh my god. A new generation collabing with my generation of cartoons, which is kind of cool. It's a little bit nostalgic. I'm pretty all for that. But NewJeans just dropped, so everybody
stop, listen, and let's continue.
Why are you so serious?
It's NewJeans.
If you guys are living under a rock, which I am too, but don't worry. I'm just gonna put you on. There's a new social media. There's a new Twitter called Threads, which is run by Instagram and Facebook. I joined it. If you want to follow me, come through. Let's make some weird posts together. I don't know. I'm actually not sure what to do with Threads, but if you are on that or on Instagram, please follow. Just run them every day, or type in Dre. You'll probably find me. Enough of that. Let's get into this. Let's go. Let's begin. Play my intro. NewJeans, caption on. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. Bop.
제가 뭔가 체력적으로
Oh, she got ears. You have to be physically fit.
But that's
Whoa.
kind of boring. So
말 그대로 진짜 슈퍼파워인데
다른 사람한테 힘과 파워를 줄 수 있는
Oh,
물건 크기를 바뀌는
change the size of
like
the
be able to
courtesy
talk
of Warner
with
Brothers.
them,
That's
tell them
crazy.
what they think.
많은 슈퍼파워?
No, chocolate's better.
No, chocolate's better.
What flavor do you want right now?
Don't judge me.
I feel like this is the literally how they conversate in real life.
Don't
Judge
judge
me.
me. It's my superpower, guys.
Starring NewJeans.
like wand.
Oh, the light stick. I need to get the light stick. That's fire.
두고 오세요. 근데 진짜 약간
Dang, look at the balance on the light stick. It's crazy.
아니 근데 토핑같이 포함이 되게
Milk chocolate is the best. Ooh, that's a good topic. Milk chocolate or dark chocolate. I'm more of a dark chocolate, but that's over time. Anyways. Don't tell me it transforms them. It do. Oh shit, it's dope. Oh snap. A
초콜릿을 만들어내는
크기 바뀌는
A bit like a healer. 파워를
bit like
주는
oh, such a bassy. Oh, this is so dope. Is this like their anthem? Like NewJeans anthem? Yeah, already like it's such a vibey. Oh, chocolate. That's right. Ooh, it's like watching Powerpuff Girls all over again. Ooh. Ooh. New hair, new tea, new jeans, do you see? Ooh, oh, is there an actual app game? That'll be fun. Okay, PlayStation graphics, let's go. PlayStation 1. Ooh, different designs too. Kind of like the multiverse. Like one's 3D-ish, one's like cell shaded. What? And then one's like sketched out. One is what would you call that? Oh, is it the professor? Like in oh, like the creation. What's up, Mo? Oh, the bunny. Oh my. New hair, new tea, new jeans. They literally just. Oh, even the bear from like, oh my god. There's so many like little Easter eggs to see. Oh, the bunny. Promos, pictures. Oh. That's cute. Damn, I might have to get a light stick. Hey! Hey! Hey, hey! Hey, 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 hey! Hey, hey! I actually don't have a bias for NewJeans. I mean, they're hella young too, so I'm just vibing out with their songs, to be honest. Whatever they create, their company creates, has been pretty much gold. Even this vibe, this is just a whole vibe. I already know there's like what? Basically, this is like a pre-release, or because I know they are coming out again with Super Shy, and I'm very curious. This feels like basically an announcement of like them and Powerpuff Girls, but also like an anthem for their song called NewJeans, which is basically self-titled. The fact that he made a huge ass like chocolate, decorated it. Ooh. Oh, that part, when that part comes in. What? Oh, like the passport protective stuff, security. Hey. This whole music video is a vibe too. It's like a cow talk. What is that? I really want like a game, like, and then like the top scores like get a prize or something like that. That would be fire. I would stream that. By the way, I'm on Twitch. If you haven't known that, please follow. Oh, they went different doors. That's right. Yeah, put in comments down below what you guys think of the song, music video, their collaboration. I think it's fire. That's pretty iconic, to be honest. Ooh, and like the behind the scenes art direction, just to show. That's crazy. Ah, with the bunny. I would, if the bunny was a figurine, I would definitely collect it. Or even all of the NewJeans Powerpuff Girls. Ooh. Oh, you got me out here spending money, huh? I mean, it's not even official, Dre. It's just expected, like, dead figurines like Powerpuff Girls, I might have to collect. Hey. What does it say? It says NewJeans, lots of subscribers. You right. I wish they would just say that. Oh, he went from subscribers to lots of subscribers. Oh, they even have like NewJeans MV reaction. Of course, shout out to the react. You know, bro, reactions have been like that for K-pop. It's crazy that, you know, other people are just like doing that. Truth revealed, NewJeans are actually bunnies. NewJeans choreography from the hype boy. POV, you're one of the hype girls. Hashtag NewJeans, hashtag shorts. Oh, NewJeans, funny moments I want to watch forever. Okay. Oh, but they got the NewJeans official MV with 722 million views in one day. Whoa! Light work, you know? Oh, is that from Hype Boy too? That is. So many Easter eggs in this. That's dope. That Y2K feel too. Put a comment down below what you guys think of NewJeans, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Probably NewJeans Super Shy. I know TXT and Jonas Brothers are dropping too, so I'll probably make a reaction to that, and yeah, see you later. Alright, y'all, peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
You wear new tee, new jeans, you and me. You wear new tee, new jeans, you and me.